The next attribute of a good money is the divisibility. A good money should be such that we are able to divide it easily. For example, a 100 rupee note does not mean just 100 rupees. It has its division. 50 rupees, 20 rupees, 10 rupees, 5 rupees, 2 rupees, 1 rupee and so on. So, the divisibility factor of a good money is very, very important. Then is the malleability, that is, good money should be made of such metal that it is neither very hard nor very soft. It should be malleable enough to put it in the shape that we are wanting to. Of course, the last attribute of good money is that it should have stability of value. That is, it should not be such that today this 100 rupees is 100 rupees, but tomorrow it loses its value, meaning to say that tomorrow this 100 rupees does not exist as such in the Indian market. It should not happen. It should have its stability of value, that is, the government recognize, so that it is there for years to come, or rather for infinite years. Let me talk about the various definitions of money. As far as money is concerned, the first definition is the legal definition of money. And when I say legal definition, it means that the money should be such that it has a legal sanction to it, that the government of India recognizes that money and issues that currency is in fact the legal money. Now, this legal tender money is such that it is approved by the government, it is in use and is accepted by the people and the government. But this legal tender money is of two kinds: the limited legal tender money and the unlimited legal tender money. When I speak of the limited legal tender money, I mean, for example, the small currency denominations like say 5 paisa, 10 paisa and now even 25 paisa is out of circulation. So, this makes that legal tender money as limited legal tender money because it has become out of circulation after a limited period. But then I talk of unlimited legal tender money. Notes, the paper currency notes are of course the unlimited legal tender money. But you must understand that there is the Reserve Bank of India who issues such currencies. And when I talk of the legal money and the non-legal money, this I have spoken about the legal money. Let me talk about the non-legal money. The non-legal money means a money which others can sometimes disapprove of. For example, the checks or the drafts. Sometimes the person whom I want to pay would refuse his payment in checks, but he would immediately take it in cash, that is in notes. So, that is non-legal money because sometimes it is not accepted by certain people. Then the functional money I spoke about in the previous clipping that it has 4 functions and I explained it to you in detail about those functions. Then the narrow definition of money. The narrow definition of money means they say that money is equal to cash plus the demand deposits that I have, the DDs that I have. So, the narrow definition of money is very limited with cash and DD. But when I talk of the broad definition of money, it means the cash plus DD plus time deposits plus saving deposits. It goes further in its arena. Then near money. Near money is something which has more or less the value of money but is not money as such. And the example of such can be the equities and the shares that we have.